A judge has ordered the Muncy Township supervisors to sign the subdivision plan for the Bass Pro development. Today is Monday, April 20th, and this is 570 News on the Go, brought to you in part by NorthCentralPA.com. There's a freeze warning in effect for tonight. Otherwise, today will be mostly sunny, a high in the upper 40s. A tragic and heartbreaking story out of Clinton County. On Sunday morning, a mother and her 6 children perished in a house explosion and fire. Sarah Stoltzfus was 34. Her children ranged in age from 3 to 11. State police said a propane tank leak inside the home on Long Run Road in Mill Hall was a possible cause of the explosion and fire. It was noted the exterior propane tanks did not explode and were not a contributing factor. A GoFundMe has been set up to help David Stoltzfus rebuild. It has already raised over $10,000. On a related note, motorists are advised that increased traffic is expected today on Auction Road in Lamar Township due to the viewing taking place today for the Stoltzfus family. There will also be increased activity on Jacksonville Road. Drivers are urged to expect delays and watch for increased pedestrian traffic. A Lycoming County man died while attempting to repair a snowmobile Thursday night. According to the Sun Gazette, 24-year-old Thomas Cockrum of Mill Creek Township was working on a snowmobile that was on a trailer at a friend's home on Highland Lake Road. The owner got on the snowmobile and started it. Cockrum was standing on the back of the trailer and lifted up the back of the snowmobile. His clothing got caught in the moving track and pulled him in, causing fatal injuries. The Lycoming County coroner ruled the death as accidental. State police have released more details from last week's buggy crash that seriously injured a Loganton woman. 21-year-old Katie Byler was a passenger in the horse and buggy when it was hit from behind by a car driven by Basir McGuffey of Williamsport. The collision happened Sunday night, April 12th, just before midnight on Middle Road near Oval. Byler and Jonas Stoltzfus were both thrown upon impact. Byler was taken by ambulance to Geisinger in Jersey Shore, then airlifted to Geisinger in Danville. She remains in the ICU. Stoltzfus was treated at UPMC Williamsport. McGuffey was not hurt. The horse escaped injury. A Lycoming County judge has ordered Muncy Township supervisors to sign a subdivision plan that would move the Bass Pro project forward. Penn Live reports Judge Eric Linhart issued the preliminary injunction sought by FamVest on Friday. FamVest submitted sufficient evidence that it would suffer immediate and irreparable harm if the subdivision plan was not signed, saying they were concerned Bass Pro would back out of the agreement. The subdivision plan requires the consolidation of 2 parcels at the former Best Buy location. It is not known whether the supervisors will abide by that injunction. Williamsport Council is scheduling a special meeting to interview and appoint a new council member. That person will replace the late Bonnie Katz, who died last month at the age of 80. Applications for the vacancy have been closed. The meeting, which will be advertised in the Sun Gazette, will be open to the public. Nearly 100 detainees at the Moshannon Valley Ice Processing Center in Clearfield County have launched a hunger strike. They are protesting what they call dangerous conditions that include contaminated food and inadequate medical care. In their statement, the Shutdown Detention Campaign is demanding the immediate release of those who are sick and the permanent closure of the prison. And the Blue Envelope Project has arrived in Center County. The new communication tool for law enforcement interactions supports drivers with autism during a traffic stop. The small blue envelope labeled Driver with Special Needs includes guidance for both the driver and police on how to interact with each other. The drivers can also display a small window decal on their car to alert police that they may have communication differences. The Center County Blue Envelope Project will be available at 6 Center County Police Departments, as well as the Center County Sheriff's Office, and during community outreach events. For the latest in news and events, head on over to NorthCentralPA.com. I'm Liz Brady, and you're up to date with 570 News on the Go.